Samsung have just kind of released for some of us to try the Android 14 UI 6.0. So some devices will be able to try the software. I'm going to show you guys how to get it. You want to go into your phone, swipe and get your search bar up there and look for, or you can just go to Samsung members, just type in Samsung members. It'll show up right here. Tap on that. So when you open the Samsung members app, at the top of the screen here, you will see that scrolling bar up there. You can look for it up here, or you can go down like I did, and I found it in right here, Samsung UI Beta Program. You want to tap on that. It's going to open up Samsung UI Beta Program, and then you're going to register. Right now I've already done it, so right now I can withdraw it and take it off if I want to. So you can see that the program is open to Samsung Galaxy S23, S23 and S23 Ultra, which is what I have right now. It will work on you can get it for different devices, but I think it's for T-Mobile and unlocked devices. So my device is unlocked, so I'm gonna be able to get it. So once you do that, it might take about 10 minutes. Like mine came right away. So you basically get out of there. You want to go into your settings, go all the way down into your software and updates, and you're going to download and install updates, and it's going to show you where it's ready to, and it's right there. One UI Beta. Welcome to One UI Beta program. So remember guys, things might not work on there properly, so you just want to make sure that you back up your stuff before you start updating that. It says a fresh new design, and it shows you some of the changes here. View all some of the changes, the new layout button. The camera is going to be installed, the speed, the way that it looks. The lock screen is going to be, so the lock screen, the home screen, the way the type interface, multitasking, lots of different stuff on here is going to be updated. You can see just as a list of things on there. You can go for it and read for yourself and figure it out. Click download and it will start the download and it will go on from there. Okay, so the installation is kind of coming to an end. It's restarting the device right now, and then even after the restart, it should do a bit of more configuration. This again gonna take a little time. It's been about 6-7 minutes, 8 minutes right now. Just make sure you back up all your stuff before you do the update, just in case things doesn't go as it's supposed to. So you can see the update it's done. So right now we can see we are kind of logging in, and we're gonna get into the device and applying themes. UI upgrade to One UI 6 is done. And right here you can go into the explore button and explore it. I'm going to click done. So you see it gives you a warning there. This is the beta software due to the nature of test version, and you might find errors. Please make sure you back up like I've told you guys. One UI version 6.0. So you can see when I swipe down, you see all my notifications on there. So for example, my sugar reading right there, I can tap down on there and you can see it brings up a bigger area, so I can read that. I don't even have to go in the app itself. Another area that I see improvement already, and it's kind of late right now, so I'm making this video as quick as possible, is the way that they have the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth right up on top, because these are the two most important ones that really when you go in you're looking for, is your Wi-Fi or your Bluetooth right there. You can see on my tablet when I pull down how the notifications look. You can see if I did this before, it doesn't really show as much information as it does right now. You can see also when I pull down how my Wi-Fi and my control area used to be here, and it's kind of really, you can see the difference right now in the old and the new right there. The One UI 6, you can see the difference right there. It's just a lot simpler, cleaner, and everything like that. If you go into your camera, you're gonna see some things on there. Go into your gallery, you can see the edit button. You can see the edit button, you can tap on that and you can go in there, and now you can add, there's an extra area they add there where you can go in and play around, and for example, you can draw on your picture. I can actually go in and type in text on there and put it where I want it. This is very important for my work because I take a lot of pictures, and sometimes I just want to know what's associated with those pictures. So that's pretty cool. And there's lots of more stuff that's in there. You have to go through some of the things is basically inside itself, inside the settings, inside of the software. So you have to go in there and look and find some of those things. But so far, just the look of it is so simple and different, and that's what I like. So I'm gonna go ahead and play around with that, and I might make another video comparing this with the 5.0. So we'll go from there, guys. But so far I haven't found any errors. Swipe down, you can swipe from almost to check your notification. You can swipe from almost at the bottom down there, and it brings it. So if I know this is a big device, so if your fingers is here, you can just do this and your notifications will come down, or you can just from here, notification down. So you don't have to go all the way up or use two hands. You can use one hand and get the notification. And also right now I'm in white mode. I can go right here right now and just change to dark mode. That's what I really like. And I go back, I know I'm in my dark mode, so everything is going to be a little bit darker for the eye. But lots of control here, lots of control that you can go in there. Device control, you can see all the device control is now there, and pretty good.